Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial for newbies on how to move the audio to the left of the start of a video. The problem is if you have a soundtrack or a voiceover audio track, you cannot move it to the left of the start of the video. And if you try to move the video to the right, the audio moves with it. I can just trim this guy down and then move it over, and there we go. Now it's starting in exactly the right spot. If I want to have the audio actually start to the left of this, what I can do is go into the backgrounds here and just grab a black background, move it to the beginning, and now I can have my audio start. There's not going to be any video there. It's just going to be black. And that's it. That's how to have your audio start before your video in an iMovie project.